Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Savlamar. We are in Westmoreland, the parish of Westmoreland, and we are driving into the capital of Westmoreland, which is Savlamar. And Savlamar is also the largest town in Westmoreland. However, it's not the most popular town. But Savlamar is where you're going to find all the infrastructure for Westmoreland, like the banks, the tax office, the government agencies, the NHT office, the NIS office, all the major supermarkets, the distribution centers, all the large wholesales. Basically, it's a very large town. It's actually the second largest town in Western Jamaica. The only town bigger is Montego Bay. So, as the capital and basically the center of what happens in Savlamar, you have a lot of neighborhoods and communities built on the outskirts of Savlamar. You have a lot of schools, basically the infrastructure to sustain the entire parish. But the most popular town in Savlamar is Negril. Negril is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Negril has hundreds of hotels. Some of the largest hotels in Jamaica are in Negril. Though there is a bar, Rick's Cafe. It's amongst the top 10 bars in the world. That's in Negril. The largest water park in Jamaica, the Cool Runnings water park, is in Negril. And almost every major chain that has a hotel in Jamaica has a location in Negril. Some of them have two. That's how popular Negril is. Now, back in the day when Jamaica was a English colony, the sugarcane or sugar production was the main product or the main item, the main commodity basically in Jamaica. So Westmoreland had a lot of sugarcane plantations, and then you had factories like Froome that would process the sugarcane into sugar, and that was a booming industry. So you found back in those days, as a colony, everything would leave Jamaica and go back to England. So you found that the major towns, all their capitals were built on the coast. So Savlamar had a port, and it was a large port, and you found that because of the port, Savlamar was the capital. Everything was built around the port. Same thing happened with Black River. It had a port. St. Anne's Bay had a port. So Savlamar became the capital of Westmoreland back then. Now, over time, the sugar industry changed. Jamaica gained independence, and the major industry in Westmoreland now is tourism. And that's where Negril came into play because of its beach. So you find Negril as a far more popular place, but Savlamar is still the capital. The same thing happened in St. Anne. Ocherios is the largest and most popular town, but St. Anne's Bay is the capital. So that's how these things are. And I find it very curious that Jamaica is an independent country, yet we still have these parishes named after English governors and large plantation owners. We still have the towns that the English deem the capital still as the capital of these parishes. I mean, you would think as an independent country we would have changed all that, but that's how it is. And I guess in time, Jamaica inherited 14 parishes from the time they were a colony, and it still is 14 parishes. Jamaica is in the process of making Portmore the 15th parish, and it's taken so long. I mean, you have to wonder, what have we done as an independent country? The parishes still have the names Trelawney, Westmoreland, that are given by the English. And it was during the time of slavery. And Jamaica has evolved past that now. So you would think these parishes be renamed. How can you name a parish after a slave owner or an English governor or this person that was a part of slavery? I just don't get it. That's just my opinion that some of these names should be changed. I haven't really heard any public outcry over the names of the parishes. I think everybody has just accepted it. I don't know. You guys leave a comment in the section below and let us know what you think. But we are in Westmoreland and we're heading into Savlamar now. Alright, we're now entering the town of Savlamar. Okay, on the right is the Manning's High School, and that is one of the most prominent schools in Jamaica. It's also the second oldest school in Jamaica. Only Woolmer's Boys School is older. And there are many persons who say Manning's was older, and persons said Woolmer's was older. So they decided to settle the dispute as to who was the oldest school by having a football match. And the winner of the match would take the title as the oldest school in Jamaica. So Woolmer's won. So Woolmer's is the oldest school in Jamaica and Manning's is the second oldest school. But it's a very prominent school and it's the top high school in Westmoreland and amongst the top high schools in the western part of Jamaica. I think probably only Cornwall College would be close to them. Okay, on the left is a plaza where you'll find the tax office and the NHT office On the left is the Jamaica National Bank. You can see the traffic. You would think you're in New Kingston or downtown Kingston, but this is Savlamar, and this is the, the largest parish in Westmoreland. The largest town, sorry. And it also has a hospital, the Savlamar General Hospital, but people just refer to it as the Savlamar Hospital. Okay, coming up on the right is the National Works Agency office, and I think National Works Agency, and also the depot where you do your Island Traffic Authority, that's the correct name, but that's the depot where you do your examination test, is over there. Now on the left is the entrance to the Savlamar Public General Hospital, that's the official name. Alright, if we go straight, we'd go into the residential areas. Now this way takes us to Liquorlong down Sheffield Negril. And we have a lot of videos up our tour in Negril, so you can check the channel for that. On the right is the Godfrey Stewart High School. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.